How to build a passive income using your smartphone. Build passive income. Most people who strive for passive income initially achieve it using affiliate marketing. You may be wondering about how to start affiliate marketing on your own or as a side income for your business. The idea of affiliate marketing is to promote other people's products. It is usually with the help of affiliate marketing programs or networks. You typically earn a percentage of those products sold through your marketing as part of revenue sharing. As defined by Shopify, affiliate marketing is an online sales tactic that lets a product owner increase sales by allowing others targeting the same audience, affiliates, to earn a commission by recommending the product to others. At the same time, it makes it possible for affiliates to earn money on product sales without creating products of their own. There are 4 different parties involved in the process of affiliate marketing: the product creator, or the merchant, the affiliate network, the marketer, and the customer. It allows for both product creators and product marketers to receive a share of revenues in accord with their contribution. The merchant, also known as the product creator, or the brand. These people are the ones who create the product for selling and can range from big corporations to small businesses. As long as they have a product to sell, they are the merchant. The affiliate. Similar to the merchant, this party can be big as well as small companies. They can earn from a few hundreds of dollars to thousands or millions a month. They are the ones who do the marketing to attract and, essentially, recommending the products to potential customers. This marketing effort is all in hopes that the customers will end up buying the product through our link or using our code, usually for an extra discount. It can also be in the form of an entire site dedicated to certain products. One of the most popular affiliate network sites is ClickBank. This is the customer. They are the ones who allow the affiliate system to run. Without customers, there will be no sales for the merchant. Neither will the affiliate receive any commissions. The affiliates are ones who market their products to the consumer however they see fit. Some examples are through social media, content marketing, or even digital billboards. The network. Not many people consider the network as part of affiliate marketing. However, it is still an essential part of affiliate marketing programs. There is an intermediary between the affiliate and the merchant. Affiliate networks such as Commission Junction or ClickBank will help the affiliate marketing process much easier by handling the payment and product delivery. Depending on the product, the affiliates may be required to enter the affiliate network, as some products may not be available elsewhere for affiliates to enter. To summarize, you can become either a merchant or an affiliate marketer. If you were to become a merchant, you can have others promoting your product. This promotion is in exchange for giving others a commission for their sales. If you were to become an affiliate marketer, you can choose one or more products to promote. Then, you can market them to consumers to make money. Check out one of the best affiliate business. Go to www.myperpetualincome.com/.